What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Bitcoin Cash today at the request of Mug Music. We're going to be getting into it right now. I know I have the music playing. Let me know, you guys, if it's too distracting, if you can't hear me, if you can't understand me, if it's perfect, if it sets a good mood, or if I should just play it for the introduction and then pause it for the rest of the video, which I'm going to do right now. So if you'd like me to play it for the whole video, leave a comment, let me know, because I'm curious. I can play classical music, it's not copyrighted, and I personally do enjoy classic music. Top to bottom here, hit your 1618. You're around your 1272 right now at $400. I don't think you go too much lower, guys. You could go to 330. You could go around there. It is possible. But I think Bitcoin Cash is toying with us, much like it toyed with us yesterday. I forget who it was, but someone said that they thought it was breaking out. Clearly not, and that's okay. You know, if I caught it up here, I probably would have thought it was too. But it loves to toy. It loves to toy with us. I said that in yesterday's video a couple times. I know I did. With the way that today looks, I'm kind of scared, but not really. I don't know. Like let's see. Let's actually use a straight line. I mean, you could go lower. You know, relatively speaking, from this low to this low, you have broken that kind of structure, but it is still, the day is still going on. We still have like 18 hours left in the day. So if you pull back, if you have some kind of recoil today, just like you did yesterday, you know, but just to the upside instead of to the downside, you could be finding support on this trend line right here, up at around your 56 reading area, 56, 57 area. And that wouldn't be a bad look at all. So let's see how this day closes. I'm not worried about this at all. I do think, I think crypto is due for a correction. I think we're overdue for a correction, but I think so many people are already bearish. I know there's a lot of people who are bullishly hyped as well, but I don't know. It wouldn't be crazy if we moved down, but it also really, I feel like the general sentiment is kind of bearish. But let's look at this real quick before I start saying that. We are at extreme greed. 83, we were at an 88 the day before. I mean, we could move lower, man. That is pretty bearish. I'm just basing that off of some of the videos I've seen from people who I kind of like. I don't counter trade anybody, but there are some people who make calls that they're not prone to being right. And generally, whenever they make a very bearish call, prices continue to move up. They're right inevitably. They're right in like a week or two, But in a week or two, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, all the major cryptos, they could do damage to the upside in a week or two. So I don't know. But I definitely did see a lot more bearish videos within the last 24 hours than I have this whole time, like moving up. We're at 406 right now. The potential to move down to $330 is there, but I don't think we will. We could move lower today, but I'm hoping / almost expecting that we would close above where we are at this point in time, but I could be wrong. The 4-hour does look like it wants to get into the oversold zone, so maybe the next 8-hour period we do move lower, but again, I'm assuming we close the day higher, so until then, I guess it's left up in the air. But again, if we do move lower, if I'm not correct in assuming that we're just going to consolidate more, if not move higher, we could move down to this $340, potentially $330 area. I suppose as low as 300 would still be okay as well, but I don't think we're going to see that with Bitcoin Cash. But yeah, man, that's my thoughts. So if you guys like the video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. I don't know about you guys, but I love it whenever cryptos drop. I've got some cash on the side right now I'm looking to put in, and I've been waiting for this. I've been assuming, to be fair, that the markets would continue to go up, but because we're already so overbought and we've been moving up kind of nonstop, it's not in me to buy at highs. It's not in me to chase. So the fact that we're moving down, I'm a bit excited. I have some cash on the side that I want to throw into this. Hopefully nobody FOMO'd at the top. Hopefully you guys are getting your opportunities to buy now, or over the coming weeks, coming days, you'll have better opportunities. But Long story short, I do think BCH has a little lower to go. I would love to see today close green. If today could close green, man, that would be very, very exciting actually. But if not, it's still okay. I still think that we will form higher lows inevitably. Even if we go below this low, it'll still be like higher lows in this overall trend. And Bitcoin Cash is still very, very, very much on track for prices at $660 to $900 in a very short amount of time. But that's all I got for you. If you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. In the comments, let me know what you think about the music. I want to know. Whatever your thoughts are. I appreciate you. Take care. Bye-bye.